Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to fix Wi-Fi password not sharing on iPhone. To fix the Wi-Fi password not sharing on iPhone, all you need to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you get into Settings, scroll down and tap on the General option from here. Now, from the General option, tap on Software Update and make sure you have installed the latest version of your software. Once you upgrade to your iOS 17, your Wi-Fi problems will be fixed automatically. After trying these steps, you should be able to successfully share your Wi-Fi password between your iPhone and the other device. If the problem persists, it's possible that there may be a deeper issue, and you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.